Good morning, Donley friends and family. This is Sherry with Donley Ford in Mount Vernon, here with this 2024 Maverick in Cactus Grey. Real sharp color, front wheel drive. So you've got the weight of the engine, those front wheels for the extra traction you need in the winter. It is also a hybrid, and that's great news. That's going to give you 38 miles on the highway and 42 in the city. Little nippy out here this morning, so let's jump in and take a look at the inside. For starters, you've got these beautiful two-tone cloth seats that are stain resistant. 4 doors open up to a back seat with plenty of room for your kids, family, belongings. If you're looking for an economical truck that's going to have great gas mileage, this is probably the vehicle for you. Come in and see Sherry at Donley Ford in Mount Vernon, 740-392-2222. I'm on extension 3014. See you soon.